This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Hamp Wilson. Just like new construction. Currently used as a short-term rental. IT has a current transferable short-term rental license. Open floor plan, granite countertops in kitchen and baths. Primary suite bedroom is large enough for a king-size bed and more. It features 2 walk-in closets and a large bathroom with 2 sinks. Guest bedroom is spacious with access to a lovely hall bathroom. This is turnkey and can be sold fully furnished. Perfect for investors or anyone wanting a newly built small home. Call for your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Hamp Wilson at 501-209-6486.